with Mizz KT.
Live from your computer, tablet, or phone, it's the Wheel of Phonics, where you help me, Mizz KT, make words from colorful letter sounds. Let's spin that wheel. What's this?
B.
That's right, B. And what does B say?
B says
That's it! B says B. You get 1 point. Let's spin again. What's this?
A.
Great job! Looks like short A. What does short A say?
Short A says
That's right! Short A says ah. You get another point. One more time. Let's spin that wheel! Oh my, 2 letters? What are they?
C and K.
That's right, C and K. What does CK say? Yes! CK says K. You get another point. Now, for the final round, let's put them together. Okay, let's put 10 seconds on the clock. And go! Back! Oh, yes! Oh, wow! Thanks! You get 5 points. Let's total our points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8! 8 points? That's incredible! I'm Mizz KT, and this has been the Wheel of Phonics! See you next time.